Bodel Sunyega, sir. Our very energetic Barangay Captain Arnold Yangat, Kastamet Karigiti Konsehales na, guests, visitors, parents, graduates, ladies and gentlemen. My task this afternoon is to introduce to you our guest of honor and speaker for today's occasion. Well, he is the only son and youngest child among the 3 children of Mr. Johnny Sablay and Miss former Florencia Ibatuan, now residing in Maui, Hawaii. He first saw the light from his parents in May 22, 1977. He finished his elementary education from this school in 1990 as the class valedictorian. Because of the desire for higher education, he continued his secondary course at the Kabugao Institute and graduated in 1994. He took his college education at the University of Northern Philippines, and in 1999, he graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Naayat nga agserbi iti lugar. Nagserbi akas SK Kagawad iti bukod na nga lugar from 1992 to 1994. He was also an SK chairman from 1994 to 1996. And in 2003, he served as Barangay Kagawad. He joined the PNP, Philippine National Police, in July 16, 2003. And he is presently assigned at Sinait Municipal Police Station. He is happily married to the former Dr. Vanessa Ancheta, and they are blessed with a child, Juan Rafael Sablay. Ladies and gentlemen, without too much ado, it's an honor then to present to you our guest of honor in the person of Police Officer 3, Jason Sablay, Jason Ibatuan Sablay. Jason, please.
Disulay tadi na ma'am, ito yung napintas nga tingka pa na yung parang kanyak. Makaisisay mo, tapos na napintas damit la ulit, ito yung bagamon. Ay ko lang kayo ma'am. Peace ito. Sakbay man pwede amin, alak man din nga gundaway nga na tumablaaw, siya kayo amin. Ting imumutin tayo nga naman ili